So one of the things I've learned as a parent is that my kids, they pretty much know everything, right? And if you're a parent, I'm sure you are experiencing or have experienced some of the same feelings when it comes to our children and their knowledge base and their infinite wisdom that they have at 6 and 7, or in my case right now, 13 years old. They just know everything. The question is, do you as a new real estate agent know everything? Of course not. You don't know everything. I didn't know everything when I was a new real estate agent, and I've been in the business now almost 20 years. I still don't know everything. I'm learning stuff every day. So we have to be very learning based. The question is, should you get a coach? Should you get a mentor? Should you get somebody to hold you accountable in your business? Now, the answer may seem very obvious to you as yes, of course. But it may not always be so clear. You see, the thing with real estate coaching and the coaching industry in real estate is it's very expensive. And we always have to look at things in our business from a value perspective, right? For what I'm spending, what am I getting out? That's called return on investment, right? And to spend all that money on real estate coaching, I did it when I was first getting started in the business, and it was wonderful. However, I didn't feel that I was actually getting the value in that coaching. Now, my point here is that if you are going to get into coaching, which I highly, highly recommend as a coach myself, is you get into it and you get into it in a way that works for you. You don't need to spend a lot of money. We really need a mentor, okay? That's the most important thing. It can't be a family member. It can't be a friend. It needs to be an uninterested third party, okay? There also has to be some risk and reward. All right. Obviously, the reward is that you're going to build your business and make money. The risk is you have to have some skin in the game, right? So having a mentor, an accountability coach, somebody who's going to work with you is ultimately important. If you'd like to know more about my free training, all the courses that I offer, everything that we're doing with EXP and helping people build their organizations, sell more homes, make more money, create more wealth in your lives, comment down below. Make sure and like this video. Don't forget to subscribe. I'm here to help you guys share information and let me know what I can. So thanks for watching, and until next time, see ya.